Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Grundig 2-in-1 cordless stick vacuum cleaner, the model VCH 9832. Up to 75 minutes of cordless operating time, offers maximum flexibility. Space-saving storage due to fold-down handles, you can clean hair and fur easily thanks to electrical brush. And let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Nice packaging. Included we have the power adapter with a cable length 1.5 meters, the charging base. You can connect the power adapter here. Here is the base with the accessory storage compartment. That goes here, press and it locks. It will stay just like that. Included we have these two accessories. Here is the storage compartment. And to charge. There it is. Two metal contacts are coming in contact here and it's charging. Beautiful. Foldable mechanism, unlock, and it locks. Unlock again, so easy at both sides. Now here at the handle we have the on-off button and the speed adjustment button. I like the color, gray and black, glossy. We have in the manuals. And screws. If you want, you can mount it and add the wall. No need to use this base. 3 screw holes and mount it at the wall. It is your choice how you want to use it. Here it is the button for the on-off for the cordless vacuum. Press this button and remove the vacuum. Four metal contact plates. And now, with this on-off button, you can use the vacuum two speeds. And off. Press to release again. At the front you can connect these adapters. Only one speed, the maximum speed you can use with a cordless. Cyclonic 21.6 volts, Grundig. I like the transparent container. To remove the container, press these two buttons, left and right, and remove the container. pull and remove the HEPA filter. You can wash it, clean it. Same and the container, sealings around, the cycloning system. Press, rotate and it locks. Very easy to use, I like it. And of course, here at the front, you can connect the turbo brass. It has these two metal contacts, since this is an electric brass. Adjustable. You can rotate. It can stay just like that. Two huge wheels, soft wheels, to protect your sensitive floors. Two small wheels at the front. Remove this switch and then you can remove the brass, clean it. Transparent look. So you can see all the time when it's rotating. Install the brass, press the switch, and you're good to go. Twin power, turbo power. And then connect that here. And it locks, so easy. Press this button, pull to remove. With LED light. Low speed. Nice, I can't wait to test it. Of course, first I will fully charge it. Four indicators, and it's charging. The features I like most are the cordless freedom and lightweight design, as well as how easily it transitions from cleaning the floor to tackling furniture, stairs, and other hard-to-reach areas. If you're looking for a lightweight, hassle-free vacuum cleaner that can handle daily messes like crumbs, pet hair and dust without the hassle of unwrapping a heavy power cord, this 2-in-1 model is a fantastic choice. With a battery life of up to 75 minutes, you can leisurely clean the entire house without having to check the power indicator. Having the handheld unit snap out instantly for cleaning couch cushions or car seats is also extremely convenient. It's affordable, only €80, nimble and perfect for keeping your home pristine with minimal effort. If this video helped you decide whether this vacuum is right for your home, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more home appliance reviews, cleaning gadget tests and practical household tips. Thanks for watching, keep your home clean, stay organized and I'll see you in the next one.